When you want to tag pipe branches, you will use spot elevation tool for pipe elevation, and then you will use tag by category to tag pipe one by one. Let's delete that. To speed things up, you can go to BIM-IT Pipe toolbar and select Tag Branch tool. Select Spot Elevation and then pipes you want to tag. Select Finish. In dialog, you can select Tag Offsets if needed, and hit Generate Tags button. And branch of pipes is tagged. Let's do it once more. First tag that tool will generate is the one used for spot elevation, and the rest of them based on proximity. If you want to reverse that order, select Reverse Order checkbox and then generate tags. And once more. You can use this tool to tag just one pipe. In that case, just run the tool, select Spot Elevation, select Finish, and Generate Tags button.